In this video, I'll show you how to create a PayPal business invoice. First, log into your PayPal business account and go to the Invoices section from the main dashboard. Next, click Create Invoice to start a new invoice. You will be asked to enter your customer's name and email address so the invoice can be sent directly to them. After that, add the products or services you are charging for. Enter a description, quantity, and price for each item. PayPal will automatically calculate the total amount. Now review the invoice details and make sure all information is correct. You can also add notes, payment terms, or a custom message for your customer. Next, preview the invoice to see exactly how it will appear when your customer receives it. After that, click Send Invoice. Your customer will receive the invoice by email and can pay directly through PayPal using the available payment methods. Finally, return to the Invoices section anytime to track payment status, send reminders, or view completed payments. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a PayPal business invoice. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.